So this is Emene in Enugu State. We are going to be starting this vlog from here, and we are going to be ending it at 9th Mile, so that you guys will see how this part of the road is before handover. You know, Peter and Mbam won, okay, though their case is in court with Edoga, but for now we know Peter and Mbam as the governor-elect of Enugu State. So let us see how Enugu is before he will take over. And aside from that, there is a lot of work going on towards the ugwuanyi axis, okay, so that you guys will see how far it has gone, where it has reached and everything. But this drive-by is going to start from Emene through Abakpa, through the ekulu, that's the expressway along that side, then through ugwuanyi axis, not Milking Hill this time. When we are coming back, we'll take Milking Hill, so you guys will see how that place is. So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko as usual. Please don't forget to like this video so YouTube can recommend more of the video, okay, so that I can grow, okay. All right, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I always love my genuine people, my real people. God bless you all, okay. So enjoy this drive-by vlog. This is Nigerian immigration. Look at my cousin sister now.
Your cousin sister?
You can't know I'm where I want. Swell. I'm not the touch up for much I want.
widen this road more than this? This sleeping or eating?
Is it? Gburugburu. Now they use you. And the road made provision for double lane. There is provision for double lane. Provision for double lane. But no, Gburugburu will not do it. He's going out now.
Shamefully.
I pray that Peter Mbam works. The only good thing about him is that he was a man that did not manipulate election. And I heard he was saying that when they were telling him to manipulate election, he said even him, he failed. He did not manipulate for himself. It's not for another person. Any person that fails should go arrest. I laugh as I heard it, and I don't know how true it is. I say, does any person that fails should go arrest? Oh my God! Just stay busy, sit down and enjoy yourself in Enugu State. I'm telling you.
They drink wine up and down. You develop a kind of.
Come on, but was he really drinking wine up and down? Or just people were just carrying it as well?
You just go to you and then we get it. G5, drinking wine. That's you're wearing uniform. Do attribute.
The man is just a fun-loving man, if you ask me. Just a fun-loving man. Oh my God.
Maureen in the house.
I'm
mommy.
You want to go and see them?
You go and see your mom. I don't want to get anything.
It's not must. You give her something.
I want to give her something.
No, I want you to give her something if you have. It's because you're saying you don't have some, so it will not be an excuse that you not go and see her. It's not must if you give her something. Because kila piskani de jafia makana we hinge. I'm a kwam no ya ota nwere kwa problem. Gburugburu. Hey. Get some governors who really work, who just make good name for themselves. People like this weekend, they don't create good line for themselves. When they say go help them tomorrow, but I don't just understand what they on the happen. Honestly, as well.
This guy did not make this.
Now him be this thing where make my father go and tell me that time say good name is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. You pack all the money, do everything. You won't get good name. How is that one? Be careful.
Stay one place now. You just stay one place.
Some people are just like that. While driving, they want to block the whole road and pass the whole road.
The rest of it, he knows all the corner.
He knows it. He has been driving this road for long. Careful before this thing will fall on somebody. See how the thing is staying yege. Container net yege. Enugu drivers see as road completely damaged. No working, no repairing, nothing. I pray Peter this one. Camera don't hit.
The other one will recharge the battery. I want to recharge the battery.
For this road, say they repair and they repair.
What's going on?
They repair and nothing they happen.
Take them to Enugu. That's what they said now.
Yeah.
So let them go to school. Shouldn't be entertaining their foolishness. Because he wants to go to Enugu and go and be doing obviously the shawarma they gave him yesterday. One big bowl of eba with raw soup and meat fish. That is what he wants to be doing. Look how hold up the eba.
It's like all of them are taking this road. Just see how this road has become totally condemned. I could remember years back when all these people sitting could travel this road clean. This is Ugwuanyi now.
I thought they have fixed road here or something. Why is there traffic? Why is there traffic when they fixed the road?
Huh?
I said, why is there traffic when they said they fixed the road here? You're experiencing this kind of product when they've done road here. On the I'm in a course and
if the road is really good, we are going to see it now. Sure, we are driving. We are going to see it. Somebody was actually telling me that he wanted to see onyeama in 2020 last year.
They've done some roads on portion of the road.
We are watching now. Sure, we are driving on the route. We are going to see where they've done and where they've not done. See the hold up. See the hold up. What is stopping them from doing this road? These people on seats now are the same people that enjoy this road, demolish the road, enjoyed it. Now they are only flying. Road, do it for others to enjoy. No. Pipe on water now. No water now. Everywhere people are digging borehole, digging well. Sign of underdevelopment.
They're wicked. Maybe road. Why they will go block that road? Yeah.
Did they block the road?
How many?
They blocked that side.
No, they are doing one way.
Would have just passed me okay here, honestly. If you knew that this is how this road was. I don't go edit anything. I could just upload them like that.
Yeah, we don't do it for traffic. You live like that. You enjoy traffic.
But these soldiers, they try, I swear. Try. Imagine somebody staying outside. Sometimes they see their family. 1 month, 2 months, they never see their family. Hey. Don't stay here almost 30 minutes. If to say we already finish this road now.
See this place, they don't do this side. Why they go block that place? Go to the pass there before. Eh?
Then why they block them? So there must be something. They know we just wake up block them.
Something. Block them. Make this place. They start so heavy. I might be saying that this road they go. That's why I won't pass it. If not, I'll go past 9 miles.
If they come back, I will more usually pass on road. Jelly pass on. Ibuchi. Fellow way no road. Fellow who no road. Follow who no road.
From West Solid.
Enjoying his sleep.
Yes.
That's not even to the extent he fell. He didn't even know he fell. He was still sleeping. That time he did break that place, that gallop. He fell now. He fell out of the car seat.
test bus. So you will reach 9 o'clock. Finish. Then go reach there. Then go reach where you go now. She no go around 10 or so. I'm actually here. I want. I mean, they were like, look, they enter that flight. I want to do answer at least every week. I will get money out of the flight. I won't come. You know, of THT. I said I will collect my commission on a weekly basis. They sell 4433 clients, 4433 clients every week. Commission.
See my video. Wait in I know I did. No, they give me work.
So me, I know they talk again.
No, they give me work.
But you see there for the same place now.
If you they talk about the road. They talk about this really happen.
But this road has been repaired now. It's supposed to open the road for the people to pass.
Wow. Might be one thing why I give them for my hand to some extent.
Patch all the roads. So be this one really do.
Even now where he won't come out, he still they do.
They know
they do road. He don't say because he won't come out when stop. No. He still they do road. Yes, I agree. Yes, now they do road. The only place where I know like all those other civil servants, people they complain saying don't do them well.
Why I say they approve salary increase for people?
No, as they come out.
What as you want come out, not the same thing for
federal government. As you want come out, that's a bad thing. As you want come out, you can approve promotion of since 2017.
Money din and then go pay now.
As you want come out. Abba. That's not good.
This is the pelter in this car at the boots.
At the boots.
Why you put down for boots now? One day we will go boots.
Me peace they even worry me, yes.
No peace for us. Say Milo don't finish. We don't buy carton of Milo again. I say Milo did for one of those bags. One did there. I check now. Milo did there. You don't say Milo don't finish.
No, Milo don't finish. I will bring out the one with the bag. Use the bag clothes. The clothes we say one give one.
All of them?
Yes, I brought them out and keep them. My only fear, I say, I don't even know when it finished, but the way we were taking tea of recent, it's finished. It didn't really finish. It's just that teas are expensive, you know. So, and the Milo now, before it used to be 1 kg, now it's 800 grams inside.
8 or 9?
800 grams. They did it 900. Later they reduced them to 800 grams. Like instead of putting price, they rather reduce the quantity. Still, they later added money. Estates everywhere in Enugu.
Make the environment conducive, create more markets, create more ways to export.
I just wish this one that our governor is the owner of Pinnacle Oil. I hope he is going to bring in industrial ideas. Yes, whether he's going to bring in ideas to industrialize the state.
The governor of Ogun State doesn't even own oil station. Has he done any better?
I forgot that day for my own brand's filling station safe. Let them bring in industries.
The man has done his own part. So other people will come with different mandates. You You understand? To come and fix their fix. You understand? Education, it could be about water. It could be, you understand? Face it and face it squarely.
See how they block all the road. Block everywhere. Are they still working on the road or what?
I say this road is ready. I don't know why when at the front to go enter. I don't know for them.
Enter here now, because
so this smooth road, why they on? You know,
all of
like
them are still entering there.
when we get them, you know, probably not necessarily in the hurry. Trailers spoil for front. Once we enter there.
I like the way they are putting waterways for this road.
See them? Small space now in the way behind like that.
This is going to curtail erosion to some extent. It's just that the size is not looking big. This is cashew season.
Is it different from the way I eat in Enugu?
No, it's different now. Now what for you?
How is it different?
Now what for you? You know no taste of abacha. Abacha day. Now what for you?
Enter Enugu, you go to find abacha before we go buy and go house. So you first forget say I supposed to work from home. That's as I live with Abakaliki, you know, like I want me to go stay for Lagos.
You know, late today. Well, I don't beg you since last month.
Don't be able to go. Now you don't talk about
only today.
You don't talk about go carry film fish pond. Talk about anything you see now you talk. Or don't will come your mind.
Hey, I beg you. You're supposed to dash me today, and I just give it to your wife.
I'll be empty out tomorrow morning. I've not even prepared my slides.
What is it?
He waited by the side. They won't come past him. Wait for allow me enter. my reliable Corolla. Your phone or my phone? Hello? Hey, Chairman. Yeah, good morning. How far are you doing now? Yeah, what's going on? Mama outside. How will you send me now? You did there, have you? Yeah, no, no. As I say, you don't even need it. Man, tell them to make you key. Who? Is it John? Hey, John, don't call me now. Call me yesterday. Alright. I go to interview.
Yeah. See, if they say we pass there, we don't reach this.
So say we pass there, we come here, turn back.
Huh?
If to say now.
At least there is the sign. They should just complete the road. That's it. The sign they are trying, but for 8 years, this is what they were able to do. So, 8 years. to go from no ask because now here we hold here. I be the pass here.
Which one be? You be saying that this side you pass. Ask somebody I beg if you don't know.
So guys, I really hope you enjoy watching this vlog. If you're new and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. I always love you, okay? Click the like button and share this video. Bye bye. Love you.